AeroDNA Enterprise is a production control system designed specifically for aerospace subcontract manufacturing, demonstrating compliance with AS 9100. AeroDNA Enterprise manages your business from quotation through to invoice, including the all-important shop floor data capture. So you can see the current situation in real time, with minimum effort. AeroDNA Enterprise is quick to implement, with minimum training or disruption. When installed, we select the options to suit best practice business processes, ensuring the system is aligned to your company's DNA. The available screens and functionality can be switched on or off at a global level, or on a user level, giving individual access privileges. It's also easy to change print templates for documents like quotes or invoices. Simply select from our library and customize with your logo, or commission a new one. The system itself is divided into 3 simple sections: data, network and analysis. The data section is where all of your records are set up. For example, your users and their access privileges, shift patterns and holidays. Your customers and suppliers, parts, routes and materials. Your operations, specifications and approvals. AeroDNA Enterprise's comprehensive fields can cover all your data requirements. The network section contains all of your day-to-day operations. Here you can create a quote or enter a sales order, raise a job card, enter a purchase order, or dispatch jobs and invoice them, all within one simple section. The final section is analysis. A bespoke report builder where you can design any report and display it how you want. Auto mailing allows you to send WIP reports internally, or a list of outstanding purchase orders to a supplier, or even last month's dispatch list direct to your customer. AeroDNA, delivering aerospace excellence software.